I don't want to make a drama of it. We don't have time for that. We have a match on Saturday. We have no time to be sad for more than 24 hours. And that's football. That's not the end of the world. Sometimes I am lucky with changes. Other times, other managers are lucky with that changes. And I think was a good happy move by Vincenzo to bring Ben Yedder. And when they score the first goal, then the game is completely different.
We have to win. Keep winning. Bounce back on Saturday. Saturday is an important game. Bounce back. And deliver fans what they want to see, and that's winning games, play attractive football.
I don't have regrets. I did my best, the players, they did their best. We tried, we lost, and that's football.